I know every day can feel like Christmas time is here.
All right, hello, my bosses. How y'all doing in Bosses Land? Okay, so happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, all things. Lord's Day, all the good things. So I am on my way to get waxed. Today is a mental health day. I took time off to take care of myself. Life has been lifing for a minute, and I just decided that we're going to press pause today. We're just going to stop everything. We're going to press the stop button. We're pressing the pause button, and we're going to love on ourselves. Okay? So that, Lord, y'all, sorry, y'all. We are going to love on ourselves today, and that is what we're doing. Okay? So I'm on my way to go get waxed, and then I am going to go get my hair done, and then I'm going to get my feet and nails done. I need to get a manicure so bad. So we're doing that, all the things today, y'all. We're just stopping the clock today. We're stepping away from the cares of the world, and we are loving on ourselves today. That's what we're doing today, this day that God has allowed us to have. Amen. Because we don't have tomorrow, and yesterday will never come back, but I have right now. Amen. So that's what I'm doing today. Sorry for all the sun glare. I have been trying to get these things done, and life has been lifing, and I haven't been able to take care of myself, because I'm so busy doing what needs to be done to hold things down and take care of the other responsibilities I have. I haven't taken time out to love on me. And so today is my day. And I don't care. I've thrown caution to the wind today. Okay? Thrown it to the wind, honey. I don't care what happens, what goes on. God got me covered. It is what it is. And we are moving in God's strength today. And we're going to do what we need to do to love on us and take care of us. I hope I got my earbuds. Oh, tell me. I left my earbuds. I might have. It's okay. I can still watch my videos while I'm sitting down. I just hate not having my videos in my ear while I'm getting my feet done. But I highly doubt they're in this purse. And they're not. And I don't have any in the car. Usually, I thought that was them. That's my lotion. Usually, I will have my headphones in here, but I haven't worked out. I haven't gone to the gym in a minute, so those aren't in here. And I wasn't thinking, because I was literally rushing out of the house, because I have to. I tighten this up. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to tighten y'all up when I stop. But I had to run out of the house because I literally have 10 minutes to get there. So, but they give you a 5-minute grace period, but she does have a 10 o'clock. So I need to hurry up and get there early. Ain't no sense in messing up somebody else's day, honey, because I couldn't get out of the house on time. You know what I mean? We have to be respectful of folks' time, honey. Even though she typically runs about. It depends on her, because sometimes I'll get there and I'll wait. I've never waited more than 5 minutes. I can honestly say that. If I do wait, it's never more than 5 minutes. But usually, she's wrapping up and cleaning up the table when I get there. So, yeah. Oh, gosh. I forgot I got to stop by and get my puppies medicine. I'll have to do that later this week. So, I'm going out of town this weekend because life is doing its thing. Life is life. And, y'all, my hands are ashy. Please forgive me because, again, I need a pedicure. Not a pedicure, honey. A manicure really, really bad. Okay, there y'all go. So we're getting all those things taken care of. So excuse the ashy hands. So typically, I'm going out of town this weekend because of life. Good thing. It's a good thing. A good reason why I'm going out of town, but it's still life. And I am prepared, doing these things so that I can feel my best and be my best while I'm out of town, y'all. That's why I'm doing all of this, because I want to be my best and feel my best while I'm out of town. And I'm entering a new season in life. Things are happening things are moving, things are happening, and I will be out of town this weekend because of some things that's going on, to take care of some business. And then, oh Lord have mercy, I'll be back next week sometime. I haven't decided how long I'm going to be out of town, so that's TBD. Y'all, I'm getting into the Christmas spirit. Random thought. I'm really getting into the Christmas spirit these days. Like, what is going on? I'm really getting into the Christmas spirit. I am. So, are y'all ready for Christmas? I know I am. So, I need to do some things around the house to prepare for Christmas. I need to clean up my garage. I need to straighten up. Well, not straighten up because my house is always straightened, but I need to move some things around in the home. And then I'm going to put up my Christmas tree when I get back. I was walking the dog last night, and one of my neighbors had their Christmas tree up. And I was like, oh my gosh. Because y'all know my Christmas tree makes me happy. It does. And I actually love my tree. I actually have the viral tree. It wasn't viral when I purchased her, okay? I purchased her the year before she went viral. But needless to say, I'm obsessed with my tree. And I typically keep my tree up for a good amount of time. Now, I will say this. Did I put up a tree last year? I did put the tree up last year. I did. Last year was the first year. I didn't put my tree up one year because, did I put it up one year? Yeah, I missed 1 year because everybody passed away around Christmas time, and every time I put the tree up, somebody passed away, and the tree stayed up to like April 1 year. But y'all know that people that practice keeping their tree up all year round, I think that is so neat. They put different decorations on it. Like for Easter, they put eggs on it. 4th of July, they put like flags and stuff on it. And Labor Day, I don't know if they decorated for Labor Day, and then they decorated for Thanksgiving, and they make it a fall tree for Thanksgiving, and then Christmas. So there are people who actually keep their trees up all year round. I think that's a neat concept because I love a Christmas tree, honey. I love my Christmas tree. Let's put it that way. But needless to say, I'm rambling, but I am putting the tree up when I get back, Lord, so nothing doesn't happen. And we're going to decorate the house for the holidays. I'm going to get everything, cleaned out and stuff and do what I need to do. And then I'm going to decorate my home for the holidays. Because I am getting into the Christmas spirit, y'all. Matter of fact, today I'll probably start playing my Christmas music. What is going on? Why did my air conditioner just kick on? And that's not what I have on. What is going on, child? Okay, so, yeah, I'm trying to keep myself from going off because these cars are moving slow and I'm in a hurry. And I don't know what's going on. So, but anyway, yes, we're putting up the Christmas tree. And my face is swollen, y'all. I don't know why my face has so much water in it. I don't know if it's water retention, what's going on. Girl, but it's the swollen face for me. I need to start washing my face. I don't wash. I have a washer, but it's broke. I actually need to buy a new one. So I need to get me a new washer. Get this fluid buildup out of my face. Because this is fluid, y'all. I haven't gained any weight. It's just my face is so puffy. And probably because of what do you call it? Dairy and stuff. And I'm trying to go back to, well, I don't eat a lot of, well, I do. Well, the only dairy I eat is ice cream and creamer in my coffee. But usually I do almond milk, but when I make my coffee at home, y'all, I put a lot of creamer in it because creamer is so good. I don't sweeten my coffee with syrup anymore, guys. I just use creamer. So that has a lot to do with it as well, but I'm very, very swollen and puffy today, so I definitely need to work on depuffing my face. So we're gonna have to work on that. But I gotta connect my fridge too, y'all. I haven't connected my fridge yet. So y'all, where have I been with Coach, honey? Random thought, girl. Cause I just thought about I'm gonna be doing a haul soon, and I thought about that Coach purse, y'all. That Coach bag. The one that looks like a big old lady wallet from back in the day where it connects to the top. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Not with the solid colors. I'm obsessed with the logo one, the crystal one. And of course, she's nowhere to be found, honey. I don't know if that was a limited edition or what. So, and Coach doesn't have it on their site at all, because usually on Coach's site, you can have them to notify you when the purse comes back in. Girl, she's not even, I'm sorry for the glare, y'all. She's not even, honey, there. She's not even on the site at all. The only thing they have on the site is the brown one and the black one, which both of those are cute. I'm here for both of them. Like, seriously, I'm trying my best to keep my hands to myself and not buy that brown one. Because Sharika B had that brown one on, baby. And she was wearing her, okay? I'm trying my best, y'all, to be a good girl. Let me see how much time I got. Okay, I'm late, but I'm only a minute late. I'm literally right up the street. So, I'm trying my best, y'all, not to, get this purse, because we don't need this purse. Like, we don't need this purse. Trust me when I tell you. That's the last thing we need to be doing right now. So I don't need to be buying anything else. I just bought some stuff for the Sephora sale, and I got some more stuff I wanted to get, but I by the time I had decided to buy them, it was too late. The sale was over. So it's okay. I just put them in my loves, and they'll be there when the Sephora sale starts back in the spring. But I do have some points. I have some money on my Sephora account that I could use. So I'll probably get a couple of things that's on that list. I just got to figure out which one I want. I was watching Brittany Pockets and Bows, and she actually has shown, was it her? No, Maya. I was watching Maya Galore yesterday, and Maya was using the Mario Makeup by Mario Cream Shadow. And I definitely need to cop those. Like, I need to cop that black one, the nude one, and the brown one. So I do have those three in my cart. I'm definitely going to cop those. And I want to get a couple of things that Brittany had on her Sephora haul video. So we'll see. I'll probably just go ahead and bite the bullet and get them next week. I'm going to be mad because right now, y'all, I just can't see myself buying anything from Sephora unless it's the VIP sale. Like, I just can't do it. And I'm not going to do it. So the way my brain think, girl math, if the money I have on my account is not equivalent to 20% off, I only got $20, y'all. It's not like I got a lot of money. So I can only have $100 worth of stuff. So that's the 3 Mario shadows. That's them because they are $25 a piece. So that little $20, honey, is already ate up. So I'm like, okay, if I do buy something out of the sale, it'll have to be equivalent to 20% off, which is the $20 that I got. Which means I can't spend no more than $100. So I got to figure out what I'm going to get. And we'll do that this weekend. All right, I am here, y'all. Let me back on up in here. Hurry up, because I don't want her next appointment to be late. And I'm actually, y'all, I'm going to be real with you. I had to ask her, how long has it been since I was last here? Because I honestly I really don't need to get waxed, to be honest. I can actually, which is good for me. Love that for me, because that means it's not going to hurt as bad. This is going to be a zip. So let's go ahead and get waxed, and I'll be back, okay?
Oh, then we could always see such spirit through the years.